Hi, today we are going to discuss about the topic circular convolution. Okay, let we have a system with impulse response h of n and input x of n, and we can find circular convolution of these two sequences, that is x of n and h of n. We will get output y of n, and we can represent y of n as y of n is equal to x of n circular convolution of h of n. This is the symbol used to represent circular convolution, that is, draw a circle and mark n inside the circle. Okay, there are basically three methods used to find circular convolution. They are concentric circle method, matrix multiplication method, DFT, IDFT method. Before going to explain these methods, the primary or basic step for the circular convolution is the length of the both sequence must be same. That is, we have both input x of n and h of n, and we have to do the circular convolution between these two, and we will get output. And the main or preliminary condition of the circular convolution is the length of the both sequence must be same. For example, if the length of the x of n is 4, then the length of the h of n must be 4. Okay. If the length of the one sequence is lesser than the other, we have to pad zeros into the second sequence or the lesser length sequence in order to make the length of the both sequence same, and we have to do the circular convolution. Okay, let's consider example, that is x of n is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, and h of n is equal to 1, 1, 1. Okay, here the length of the x of n is 1, 2, 3, 4. That is, length of the x of n is 4, and the length of the h of n is 3. So we can't do circular convolution between these two sequences because the length of the both sequences are not same. So in order to do the circular convolution, we have to make the length of these two sequences same. For this, the length of the second sequence must be 4. In order to make the length of the second sequence 4, we have to pad zeros with this sequence, that is, pad a 0. Okay, now the length of the h of n become 4. Okay, now it is ready to make, or it is ready to solve circular convolution. Okay, that is, the new sequence become x of n is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and h of n is equal to 1, 1, 1, 0. Okay.